An Air Force of Zimbabwe detail has lost its car and property worth 4.5 US to armed robbers who had picked them up as passengers. Sandapinda mashoko kudanyogwa panapa tikuona kuti aiwa an Air Force of Zimbabwe detail atakiwa wane marobas nobva subscribe like kuti on the bell like kuti tipinda panapa mnamo kudanyogwa muzinzi takawira gutu 44 picked up 5 passengers including 3 males and 2 females at the corner of Julius Nyerere and Robert Mugabe Road in Chitumbisa. He was driving a silver Honda Fit, registration EJ 3435. One female passenger disembarked at Kinamo 10 off, and another female passenger indicated that she wanted to disembark at Corner Seki Road and Delport Road bus stop. When Takawera reached the bus stop, female passenger disembarked, and that is when the 2 passengers who were seated at the back seat grabbed him and pointed a knife at his neck. They pulled him out of the back seat, tied his leg and hands with a shoelace. One of the robbers took charge of the vehicle and drove toward airport. When they passed Manyame Air Force Base, the vehicle stopped and accused persons took the other male passenger's cell phone, $7 US, and then threw him out of the moving vehicle. The vehicle stopped at the place unknown to Takawira and refueled. The 2 robbers stabbed Takawira on the back and on the palms using a knife. Harare Provincial Police spokesperson Inspector Lakmo Chakanza confirmed the case. Police investigating a robbery and a car theft cases involving a motorist who offered transport to unsuspecting passengers, said Inspector Chakanza. They dumped him at a secluded place along Chiremba Road near Rua River and drove away with the complainant's vehicle. Complainant managed to untie himself and sought help at a nearby house. He was assisted to make report at ZVAITWA airport as a well-wisher. Tomashwana kudanyogwa panapa atirikuona kuti aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe, is it a way of earning a living yatakuona yakuitwa nevanhu panguva ino vachirobha vanhu nokuda kwokuti aiwa people they are failing kuwana mabasa nekuwana zvokudya, but people now they are opting kuita maexari illegal. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Nai comment section medu mafunguro enyu, musasubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.